CATL might just have kickstarted its very own EV revolution. The battery manufacturer is a top-tier name when it comes to electric vehicles and its frontrunners like Tesla. And now it is taking a step ahead by optimizing LFP batteries only to create an extraordinary variant. The year 2024 will be the one to watch out for. So today, let's dive into CATL's ultra-fast charging battery. CATL has been one of the most reliable and revolutionary suppliers of lithium batteries, and its pinnacle of technological evolution has been monumental for the big market shares of big EV producers. On August 16th, the company announced the production of Shenzhen, the world's first 4C superfast charging LFP battery. While the lithium battery market is brimming with new launches and other potential competitors, CATL's announcement is groundbreaking for various reasons. You see, Shenzhen is the company's checkmate for the superfast charging era of EVs. A quick glance into CATL's press release would tell you that the battery's C rating is 4C. This particular threshold allows us to see the speed at which a battery is fully charged or discharged. Shenzhen's 4C rating means that on average, it would take 15 minutes to be fully charged. In fact, some experts believe that the battery might well exceed its 4C rating because it can be juiced up to 80% in just a mere 10 minutes at room temperature. Simple math here would tell you that your Shenzhen-powered EV with a 100 kilowatt per hour battery pack will be 100% charged in less than 15 minutes. So yeah, if CATL stays true to its press release, we might be looking at a 5C battery in the future. Impressive, right? Well, it just gets better. As per CATL's announcement, its new LFC battery would be capable of delivering 400 kilometers, 250 miles, of driving range only with a 10-minute charge. What's really impressive is that the LFP would give EVs a range of over 700 kilometers, about 450 miles, on a single full charge. Once these batteries hit the market, the biggest slump around charging EVs is going to be reduced significantly. And next time, when your neighbor cites charging anxiety as a reason not to switch to EVs, you know what to tell them. Given major ethical concerns like climate change, many car makers, as well as CATL's high-profile clients, are looking to make major shifts in their manufacturing strategies. Companies like Tesla, NIO, and BMW, which already rely on CATL for their fix of lithium-powered batteries, are also looking forward to capitalizing on the EV boost expected to take place in 2024 and onwards. And it is almost fitting that the world's largest manufacturer will release its highly anticipated Shenzhen in the first quarter of the same year. Single-handedly, CATL wants to fix the performance issues that exist with the use of lithium-powered batteries, as opposed to other more productive metals like nickel or cobalt. We'll get into how Shenzhen will deliver extraordinary performance on all accounts. Before that, let's talk about how this LFP battery will change the EV market. First things first, Tesla is going to come out on top. Elon Musk's brainchild is already leading the EV front, and its colossal market share is pretty representative of that. But even before CATL's experimentation with long-range LFP batteries hit the news, Tesla was already looking forward to strengthening its partnership with the manufacturer further. Despite America's persistence to boost its local lithium battery production, major EV producers like Ford and Tesla are forging long-term deals with Chinese manufacturers like CATL. Back in March 2023, Elon Musk and his reps sought the White House to bring CATL to the US EV battery scene. The emerging reports cited that Tesla plans on making its very own lithium-powered battery plant in the US, and CATL is going to lead the effort. The plan is pretty controversial, especially with the recent geopolitical tensions between China and the US. The Biden administration is going to put a huge question mark on CATL's internal involvement in Tesla, but any sort of increased accessibility to Shenzhen for US EV manufacturers might just change things around. Not to mention, due to its ever-increasing competition, Tesla is in a rapid expansion mode as it is pouring cash into increasing production at cheaper rates. It's expected that Tesla would just incorporate the highly anticipated Shenzhen into its future models immediately, and when it does, Elon Musk just might become the unbeatable monopoly over affordable and resilient EVs that aren't fazed by any limitations of the lithium-powered batteries. Let's break this down, shall we? From the very get-go, lithium iron phosphate, or LFP batteries, have been pretty transformative for the global EV boost. They're known to make charging structures safer, give batteries more durability, and overall, they're pretty cost-effective, as much as a battery for an electric vehicle could be. Such factors alone put LFP as a more sophisticated choice than any nickel-based alternative. But at the same time, these batteries have major disadvantages too. For the most part, their widespread production has helped to make them affordable, yet it has other issues, such as its performance in cold temperatures. Typically, LFP batteries struggle with charging speeds and acceleration rates when the climate climate is cold and harsh. Simultaneously, these batteries are also notorious for operating at lower voltage and energy density. This alone makes LFP unsuitable for big commercial vehicles as well as long-distance commutes. In 2021, Elon Musk made an important but unpopular decision to shift some of the Teslas to LFP after ditching lithium-ion batteries. He had cited his concerns with scaling lithium production as well as the toxic environmental impacts of nickel and cobalt. After Musk updated EV fanatics on this major change in production strategy via Twitter, people were concerned about the battery's low energy density, which, to be fair, makes or breaks the performance of an EV. But don't fret, CATL has promised that the Shenzhen will overcome all the issues that are typically associated with LFPs. And yep, they're fixing the cold weather performance difficulties as well. At the start of the video, we discussed the battery's super fast charging speeds that might exceed its 4C rating in room temperatures. You won't be able to achieve such lightning charging speeds in low temperatures, but CATL promises to exponentially improve the C rating. As it stands today, you can expect Tesla's Model 3 to charge from 10 to 80% in around 25 minutes, given you aren't driving in freezing temperatures. In those circumstances, your Model 3 won't juice up quickly despite operating on an LFP. Shenzhen takes note of this problem. And according to CATL, the new LFP variant would take up to 30 minutes for 0 to 80% charge in temperatures as low as minus 10 degrees. If Teslas start to equip its current and future models with the powerful Shenzhen, it's ultimately going to earn the trust of consumers living in below freezing temperatures. Currently, in low-temperature areas, EVs aren't widely used given the problems around weak charging infrastructure as well as super sluggish charging speeds. CATL also promises that its users in such freezing areas won't face issues with acceleration performance as well, which has been the case with the Tesla's Model 3. The company's community support channel is often flooded with consumers who face acceleration issues with their cars in low temperatures. Also, major publications like Forbes have blasted Tesla for its low temperature issues, but now it seems like CATL will fix that for the Model 3 as well. As per the same press release, Shenzhen will offer uncompromised 0 to 100 km/h acceleration performance at low temperatures. Remember, when we said CATL is kickstarting a brand new EV revolution, now you know why. And before you ask, the manufacturer also claims to solve the low energy density problem. For starters, its 700 km range should give you a glimpse into its high voltage battery infrastructure. In the manufacturer's own words, CATL has developed a trailblazing all-in-one grouping technology on top of the integration of the internal crossbeam and end plates featured in its CTP 3.0 technology, achieving high integration and high grouping efficiency. In simple words, Shenzhen is going to break the limits of the performance of LFP chemistry to make commercial EVs a dream come true for Tesla. The range issue has been one of the biggest hurdles in designing vehicles that would be the new face of the trucking industry in countries like the US. With CATL's innovation, Elon Musk is on track to break his business into a completely new array of commercialization. So far, we don't have enough details to figure out the exact design behind the battery's impressive range, but the manufacturer has made the LFP's 700 range its biggest advertising point. And if we can trust any battery maker to deliver on its promises, it is CATL. Plus, the manufacturer isn't planning on rolling out its impressive feat for high-end pricing. Nope, far from it actually. Shenzhen batteries won't be the exclusive benchmark for manufacturers like Tesla or BMW. In fact, CATL aims on making batteries for the average consumer who can fulfill its dream to afford an EV from a producer like Tesla. 2024 couldn't be here sooner. As always, if you liked our video, hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification button for more videos like this.